Suffer. Oh, are you ready?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I was going to say, I was wondering we would say
You
that.
have to be quiet, you're disturbing me, sorry.
You're going outside.
It's a fun way to get like this. I like to look at it.
You guys pay like a deal or something?
Nope,
like that?
all free.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, if you're interested in playing, you're welcome to play. All levels. Doesn't matter. And of course, the whole thing is you learn as you go along. I mean, really,
Right.
I had a nephew who really was sort of the bottom team, you know. But the thing is that he ended up taking key games from you when you really didn't need it, you know what I mean?
Right.
That's what made it sort of funny. And people just freak too. They go, oh my God. So,
Oh! Shit!
Jeez. No, stop.
Alright.
4 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so no dudes, just have fun, you know. Pick a team name and you're all set. I was going to say, so you one of the gentlemen that you practiced
3 minutes.
Against Mike,
Yeah,
right?
he's practicing.
Oh, okay.
But he's got a friend that lives
Yeah.
above him, and they play all the time.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's good to play against other people.
I just try and defend the ball mostly. I suck at scoring, but
Well, hey, you got to start somewhere, and then the problem is that you get
Oh,
defense,
sheesh.
and the other guy can score, you know, that makes it real dangerous.
So, 2 minutes.
Shit.
Oh!
Best as I ever did.
Pretty good lucky shot. Whoa. Okay.
scoring a face off, right?
No. One minute. Thirty seconds. Seconds.
Whoa!
10 seconds. 5, 4,
Oh!
3, 2, 1.
Jeez.
This is the end.
That's the way it goes.
Yeah.